How to use Pandabuy. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Pandabuy. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser, and on the search bar kindly type pandabuy.com. And from this website, you can either sign up or log in with your account. And to register in Pandabuy, kindly proceed by clicking the sign up button. And after that, all you need to do is to fill out the required information, such as your country name, your username, email address, password, and to confirm your password. You also need to type the verification code for the security purposes. And after successfully register or creating your account, you can now proceed to log in your Pandabuy account, in which just same process to put your email address and enter your password, and enter the verification code for security purposes. And after that, just proceed by clicking Login, and you will be directed in the homepage of Pandabuy. And if you have no idea what is Pandabuy is, it is written on this tagline, "Shop from China, shop with Pandabuy." And if you scroll down below, you will see all the service that offers in this website, including purchase orders, ship to warehouse, quality check, and global shipping. It is basically a website like Amazon and AliExpress, in which you can use to purchase your orders, ship to warehouse, and quality check in global shipping. And if you're still new in this Pandabuy website, you can proceed by clicking the beginner's guide in order to explore or assist you in guiding about this website. And aside from beginner's guide option, you can also find the help center in which you can ask your concern about this website. And aside from those features to navigate, you can also use the estimation, which is located on the top right corner. So proceed by clicking on it, and you will be directed in here, in which estimation will help you estimate the amount of cost that you might need to pay for your orders. And to do that, all you need to do is to fill out all of this information below, such as the destination, mail restriction, weight, length, width, and height of the product. Now let's start on entering our destination, in which all you need to do is to choose the country or the destination of your order. And after that, you may also choose the warehouse by clicking on this button. While under the mail restriction, all you need to do is to choose the category in which your product or items order fall into. So let's say order clothing and accessories. And after that, just choose the brand. I'm going to choose common brand. Well, the next thing is to enter the weight of your products or items order. It is important to know the weight in grams of your product that you order in order to estimate its shipping fee. Well, below is to enter the length, width, and height of your order. And after filling out all of this required information, we can now proceed by clicking this button that says Inquire. However, if it is not working or there's no result showing up, this just means that some of your information are not valid. And to avoid this mistake from happening, we can firstly go to our google.com in order to get the exact weight, height, width of the items or product that we just ordered. So let's say I order a belt. So I'm gonna type on the search bar, belt weight in grams. And after that, just copy the result under the shipping fee estimation in Pandabuy, and proceed by clicking the Inquire button, in which upon doing so, it will show you the results of the logistics services company. You will see here the EMS with its corresponding shipping fee amounting to 2,488 yen and its travel time from 5 to 24 days. And you will also see the details on the right side panel. And below that, you will also see another logistic company with its corresponding information, such as its shipping fee, travel time, and the details of it. And if you scroll down below, you will see that some of the results cannot be opened. So it just means that below results are not applicable in our given information. So that is just how basically to use the estimation. Now going back to the homepage of Pandabuy, you will see the search bar below the tagline, in which from here you can find a product or items that you're looking for, either by pasting the product's link, name of the shop, or even its PI. And on the search bar, you can also select either a products or a shop to order. So let's say I'm gonna choose product. And in here, you can type the type of product you're looking for. I'm gonna enter belt and proceed by clicking the search button. And from here, it will show you the variety of result of the product or items you're looking for. You will see the preview picture, the item's name, or even the corresponding amount or prices of it. And aside from that, you will also see the number of people that are buying or already sold to this specific item. And you can use those information in considering the product or items you're going to buy. And after that, just select the items you want to buy. So kindly click on it, and upon doing so, you will be directed in this tab, in which from here, you will see the preview photos of the product, the title or the name of it, the corresponding price, and even the warehouse location of this product. You will also see the amount or cost of domestic shipping. And luckily here, we have a free shipping. And when you scroll down below, you need to choose the sizes of the product you want to buy. While below, you can also choose or add the quantity. And it says here that there are only 200 items available. And below the quantity, you will see the additional details about this product. And if you agree to the terms and condition, check this box that says agreed. And after that, you have two options to buy now this product or add to your cart. And after successfully adding to your cart, you will see your add to cart by clicking this username on the top right corner. And proceed by clicking order. And you will be directed in this page. While on the left side panel, you can choose cart. And from here, you will see the items that you just add to your cart. And in order to buy this item, all you need to do is to check these boxes. And below, you will see the two options such as estimator and submit, in which if you click the estimator, you will be directed in here, in which it will show you the estimate cost that you need to pay in order to purchase or buy this product. While by choosing the other option, such as the submit option, you are now finalizing or proceeding to buy this item. So now proceed by clicking the submit button. And from here, you will now confirming your order, in which you need to enter the destination or your country. And after that, you also see the details, such as the amount or total, including the shipping fee, that will cost you in buying this item. And now proceed by clicking submit order, in which upon doing so, it will lead you in this page. And below the checkout option, you will see different kind of payment option that you can choose, such as you can top up or you can use your PayPal account in paying this product. And aside from that, you can also pay using your credit card, Alipay, Stripe, and many more. And after selecting your payment option, you can now proceed by clicking confirm payment. And after selecting confirm payment, you may track your order under this warehouse, in which from here, you will see the progress of moving your order into its destination. So that's just how to use Pandabuy. Thank you.